Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a logo in Canva. 1. When you're at the homepage, search for logo and then choose it. Here you'll find a lot of templates, and you can also filter all the templates by style, theme, feature and color. This time we want to make a logo for a bar, so we find it and select it under the theme filter. When we've found one we like, just click on it and choose to edit the template. A new tab opens and you can customize the logo. Maybe you want to change the text? Maybe you need some help from the built-in AI called Magic Write? You can do many other things. For instance, you can change the background color. When you're happy with the result, you can download the logo to your computer. Go to Share. Then choose Download. Under Select Pages, you can choose between downloading all files in a zip file, or you can choose one of them. I choose PNG as file type most of the time. Click Download when you're ready. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.